I'm Emma and I work as a receptionist here at St Bride's Spa Hotel. I make sure all the guests have a nice relaxing time with us. It's an award-winning hotel and the spa also. People like coming to the spa because we try to take the scenery, marine theme from Saundersfoot through into the hotel and the spa. So we've got organic products that we use within the treatments. The people come here to get rid of the stresses and strains of everyday life. They come here, they see the beautiful view, they leave calm and relaxed. Andrew and Lindsay that own the hotel have worked hard to get to the awards that we have today. So here in Saundersfoot we've got the absolutely beautiful beach, which is only a step away from the village. We've got restaurants and bars in Saundersfoot and Narberth, the cafes and the little shops if you want to go shopping, and also the lovely art galleries in the area too. We've got secluded beaches like Pendine, or you've got Ballyfundle, which you have to walk across the coastal path to get to. People should come to Wales because we've got beautiful views, we've got beautiful scenery, we've got all the coastal path. There's things to do whatever the weather. If it's sunny, get out on the beach, but if it's raining, wind, you could just put your coats and wellies on and just get outside and enjoy it. It's the beaches here in Pembrokeshire are the thing that Pembrokeshire can be proud of. The coastal path, the walks around the whole area, and also being proud to be working in this award-winning hotel with these beautiful views looking over the bay of Saundersfoot.